and Lucky South was represented by Ms. Baterna. So in short, Mr. Chairman, I just want to establish that former Secretary Harry Roque is lying.
Did you talk about the Whirlwind Corporation?
No.
No. So in other words, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Harry Roque is lying. Attorney Harry Roque was included in the structural organization of that company. Am I correct? He is the legal of Lucky South 99.
Ayun po yung nagkamali po yung mga staff regarding dyan po.
So, eto po, you signed for and behalf of Lucky South. Tama.
Yes po.
That was the first
As-
contract. Okay. Now, the second contract, Miss Mascareñas, na wala pong pangalan mo dito.
Saan po? Sa Whirlwind po or Lucky South?
Both.
Baka wala na po ako at that time. Pero ang pinirmahan ko lang po kasi na
When was the
transfer,
time that you left Lucky South or Whirlwind?
December 30, 2019.
Oh, tama. Because this sublease agreement was signed February 2021.
Ay, wala na.
So wala ka na doon.
Wala na po.
Correct. But in this document, Ms. Cassandra Ong, please take note that in the first sublease agreement, you signed for on behalf of Lucky South, but in the second agreement, you signed for on behalf of Whirlwind. And Lucky South was represented by Ms. Baterna. So in short, Mr. Chairman, I just want to establish that former Secretary Harry Roque is lying because he insisted that you are not part of the Whirlwind.
Pwede po ako mag-explain, Mr. Chair?
You don't want to see the document, the second sublease contract, for
Ayan
you to
po po
confirm? You want to see it? Or
Ayan
you
po,
confirm na?
Confirm na po.
Ms. Baterna, do you confirm that you signed the sublease agreement for on behalf of Lucky South 999? Yung second sublease agreement, ikaw na pong pumirma dito?
Hindi ko po nakita, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
Mr. Chair, pwede po ako mag-explain regarding sa...
At sandali po, ipa-confirm ko muna,
Okay.
then
Pasensya na po.
the chair will let you explain.
Salamat po.
So, Ms. Baterna, you confirm?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, Ms. Casiong, please.
Pwede pa ulit po yung sinabi nyo kanina.
Sorry.
Pwede pa ulit po yung sinabi nyo kanina regarding kay...
Ganito pa kasi, oh.
Opo.
The first sublease contract, you signed the sublease contract representing Lucky South 999. But in the second contract, you represent na the Whirlwind. And the name of Mascareñas, dahil wala na nga siya doon, was signed by Baterna.
Tama po yan, pero hindi po ako shareholder ng Lucky South.
No, but you represent.
Yes
But you
po.
confirm.
Yes.
Di ba? What I'm saying is, ganito po, Miss Casiong, Miss Ong, kasi it only proved that Whirlwind and Lucky South is one and the same. Kasi po, dito sa first sublease, you signed for on behalf of the Lucky South 999. And then in the second sublease, you signed for on behalf of Whirlwind.
Can
Na
I
yun
explain
yung,
for you?
sandali, na yun yung, just for the record, Mr. Chairman, and you check the minutes, that was the argument being insisted by former Secretary Harry Roque, that Baterna, Casiong, wala sa Whirlwind. Yes, Kasiong, do you want to explain?
Yes po.
So in short,
Regarding the two company po, can I explain it po?
go.
Okay lang po. Kung hindi po, regarding sa two company po, Lucky South noon is sa amin po. And Wordwin. But nauna po i-registered ang Lucky South. Tapos sumunod ang Wordwin po. Yung time na yun,
So nauna yung Lucky South to be registered kaysa Whirlwind.
yes po.
But the contract, sublease contract, between the Cruz family, allegedly, the lease contract, but of course, the Cruz family denied that there is such thing as the lease contract, di ba? Kaya nga may kaso. Tama?
Opo, regarding naman sa lease contract po, kapirmahan po namin o kakontrata po namin si Mr. Cruz.
Yeah, yung tatay.
Opo.
I know. Now, but of course, may problema doon sa dokumento. Kasi your lease contract was based on the board reso, di ba? Giving authority to the father, kay Roberto Cruz.
Pwede ko po makita yung documents na po na yan. I'm not sure po eh.
But it was denied. Finorge yung mga perma doon ng mga anak ni Roberto Cruz. Because
Sa lease contract o contract to sell po?
And then, yung contract to sell that was being claimed by the heirs, yung mga anak. But yung lease contract, which was where Whirlwind stands and Mr. Roberto Cruz was denied by the children.
Hindi po ako sure regarding dyan.
Oh, but anyway, so nauna yung Lucky South, then Whirlwind.
Yes po. Pero nabenta na po, na-i-transfer na si Lucky South sa other people na po. Last year, 2023, around September, kung hindi po nagkakamali.
Na-transfer na nung 2023.
Tama po.
But the sublease that we are talking in which you signed for Whirlwind and Lucky South, ito yung mga original documents eh.
Yes po.
Yeah, we're talking here, we are just establishing, Miss Cassandra Ong, that yung Whirlwind at saka Lucky South, isa lang to. The same people. Tama?
Noong una po, yes po.
So you confirm?
Yes po,
Oh,
noong
so
una.
when was the time that you met Harry Roque? When was the time?
We met Harry Roque po.
Yes. Yes.
I think around 2022, after election, nung naging private citizen na po siya.
Yung first meeting nyo, nung pinag-usapan nyo?
Hindi ko na po masyadong...
Paano? Hindi mo matandaan?
I-recall ko lang.
Oo. Paano mo nakilala si Harry Roque?
Pinakilala siya from Singaporean friend po sa amin.
Sinong Singaporean friend na yun?
Hindi ko po kilala. Kaibigan po siya ng ninong ko, si Mr. Wu. Mr. Duaran Wu.
So, a
Kaibigan
Singaporean
po siya.
friend of Mr. Wu introduced Harry Roque.
Pwede pa ulit po?
Yung Singaporean friend ni Mr. Wu ang nag-introduce kay Harry Roque?
Tama po.
O, so common friend nila yung Singaporean.
Yes po, kung hindi
Okay.
po nagkakamali.
So, first meeting nandun ka.
Opo.
Anong pinag-usapan?
Nagpakilala lang po, casual dinner.
Tapos,
Wala na po.
the following, after nung first meeting nyo, may second meeting pa kayo? Nagkita pa ulit kayo?
Wala na po.
Wala na?
After ng first meeting, madalang na lang po kaming... To be exact is hindi po kami nag-uusap after first meeting.
Hindi, sinamahan ka pa nga sa pagpor
Yes po. Ito, ina-explain ko po. Please give me time to explain po, Mr. Chair. Yeah. After nung first meeting, hindi po na masyadong nagkakaano. Nagkausap lang regarding, nagpatulong lang po.
Nagpatulong ka.
Opo.
Ito po, Cassandra.
Yes po.
During the first meeting, nandun ka mismo sa meeting with the Singaporean friend and Mr. Wo.
Tama po.
Siyempre, kung nandun ka, narinig mo kung anong pinag-usapan.
Simpleng pakilala lang po. Simpleng casual
So, wala
deal.
kayong pinag-usapan? Wala silang pinag-usapan?
Wala po.
And after that,
Kung
is
hindi po ako
Harry Roque-
nagkakamali, regarding po sa solar po ang... Sa solar po yata?
Sa solar.
Opo.
Nag-materialize ba yung solar na yun?
Ngayon ko lang po naalala. Like what I said po, medyo nakalimutan ko na yung pangyayari kanina. Kahit
Napapanood mo bang hearing dito? Habang nag-hearing?
kailan po.
The other day, on the second hearing, napapanood mo ba?
The whole hearing po, hindi po. Pero may mga news po yata.
Anyway,
But not exact.
Anyway, magkaalaman tayo pag nandito na si Harry Roque. But Mr. Chairman, again, I just like to manifest that itong whirlwind from the very start sa Lucky South is one and the same. Pareho po lahat, pati mga investors, no? Tapos paggamit ng mga tao.
Cassandra, question ko sa ito. So, before I move for the withdrawal of your, when we cited you in contempt, later on, the members wanted to withdraw that contempt order. But for the meantime, I'll be asking you a very serious question. Since nag-issue na ng waiver si Ronaldin Baterna, doon sa checking account that according to her, yung checking account na yon, lahat ng mga cheque, pinirmahan niya, ibinigay niya sa iyo. And that was testified by Ronaldin Baterna. So hawak mo lahat ng mga cheque, control mo na yung checking account. So ang tanong ko sa iyo, millions of pesos entered that checking account. Kani-kanino mo inisyo ang mga checking ito? Okay, ulitin ko, Cassie. Simple lang to. Merong checking account si Ronaldin Baterna. And she told us that mag-i-issue siya ng waiver. So in other words, makikita na namin yung through AMLAC, makikita na natin yung mga laman, kung sino mga nag-issue, sino ang pumasok na pera. So in other words, yung checking yon ibinigay niya sa iyo, signed by her. So in other words, control mo yung checking yon. So ngayon tanong, sino-sino ang mga inisyuhan mo ng mga checking yon for many years and for many millions that entered that checking account? And remember, you told me through text, ayaw mo maipit doon sa mga nag-uumpugang mga malalaking mga bato. So tell us, sino yung mga taong ito na binigyan mo ng cheque?
Okay, pwede na po magsalita. Regarding naman po sa mga cheque is, I think kung hindi po nagkakamali sa mga rental po siya, ng mga house po or condo. Yeah. Pero
Rentals
if
na?
million, I'm
Oo.
not sure po.
Kasi, Cassandra, no, millions of pesos ang dumaan doon sa checking account. And aside from that, how many bank accounts do you have? Be truthful,
We'll
Cassie.
double check it po.
10? You have 10 accounts? More than 10?
Parang wala siya sa 10.
Mga
I'm not sure po eh.
8? 7? 6?
I'm really sorry
5?
po.
4?
Hindi ko pa talaga siya
Okay.
sure.
Wait. Kasi we will be able to find out because the waiver was signed. Ronaldin, were you able to sign the waiver?
Na-sign ko na po.
So, kung na-sign na niya yung waiver, so makikita na natin ang lahat ng laman nun. So, we're giving you a chance to tell us. Sabi mo kasi kanina, meron kang mga iniiwasan. So, we wanted to find out who are these people. Meron bang mga politiko? Meron bang mga drug dealers? Meron bang malalaking mga Chinese personalities? Ha? Sige, okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Regarding po sa bank account, wala na po akong bank account pala. Pwede na po siya.
Kasi,
Yes po.
baka mabago yung damdamin ko sa'yo, ah. Ang sinasabi ko, during that time, di ba, kahit sabihin mong wala ka ng bank account ngayon, before that you were a executive assistant of the Lucky South 99 since 2019, and then now that you are the beneficial owner of the Whirlwind Corporation with 58% ownership, are you going to sign a waiver?
To proof na wala na po akong account.
Na wala ka ng account. No,
Yes.
we're not asking that. What we are asking is that you're going to sign a waiver telling us that we can check yung mga inisyuhan mo mga cheque sa mga personalities that involved in that Porac Pogo. Attorney Tapasio. Are you willing to waive for all your bank accounts para makita natin ang lahat ng inyong transactions? Kasi we are talking about, kasi nagsimula ka na ng being truthful. Kanina, actually, we are all amazed, ha? Dahil you can speak truly, eh. And now, nagkakaroon ka ng apprehension. Don't. Wag. Kasi the trust is with you right now. So, ituloy mo lang, please. The waiver that was issued by Ronaldine Paterna for the AMLAC to see all the bank transactions. So the waiver that you are trying to secure from us is the waiver of that you don't have an account anymore. Yun ang sinasabi ng kanina ni Atty. Topacio. Am I right?
Pwede pa ulit po.
Yes.
Pwede pa kiulit po.
Okay.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
So, kasi ang sinasabi mo kanina kasi parang nagwe-wave ka doon sa right na malaman namin na wala ka ng mga bank accounts.
Yes po.
So, hindi yun ang hinihingi namin kasi. Ang hinihingi namin, waiver mo para makita ng AMLAC kung ano ang lahat ng bank transactions nung mga bangko mo. Yun ang hinihingi namin para malaman namin kung saan pumunta yung mga pera na pumasok sa bangko mo. Naintindihan mo yun, Cassie?
Yes po, Mr.
So, are
Chair.
you willing to sign a waiver for that matter?
Mag-consult muna ako sa lawyer ko, then balikan ko na lang po ang committee if
Kasi
I'm willing
ang
or
waiver na binigay ni Ronaldine Paterna, it's all about the checking account that is under her name. Your waiver is so important to us, to all your bank accounts. So we can see the transaction, where the money goes and where the money comes. It's hard to believe that a while ago you were thinking so deep, thinking about your bank accounts. It turned out na meron ka lang dalawa. Tama? Isa lang ang bangko mo, China Bank. May savings ka and meron kang checking account. Am I right? So isang bangko mo lang, China Bank lang.
yes po. China Bank,
And
pero hindi
I
ko
was
sure.
asking you a while ago, I'm asking you, how many bank accounts do you have? Hindi mo siya masagot, di ba? Hindi, I mean, I'm trying to lay down my predicate. Parang, it's hard for you to answer that you have more than one bank accounts. Alam mo, kasi napapaniwala mo na kami dito, sana nagsasabi ka ng totoo that your accounts is more than one.
Can I explain po?
Yes.
Kasi tinanong na po ako kanina kung ilan yung total bank sa account ko. Tama po ba?
Yes.
So, hindi ko sure kung ilan po yung total. lahat
So ngayon,
ng bank account
so
ko.
ngayon isa lang talaga?
Isa lang po yung bangko, pero I'm not sure kung ilan po yung...
Okay. So isa lang ang
Account.
bangko mo, but you have many accounts in that bank.
Opo.
So China Bank lang 'yon, tapos iba't ibang account number. Tama?
Yes.
It's all under your name?
Like what I said po, meron pong under my name, meron din po sa corporation po.
So more or less, how many accounts? Yun lahat ng yun.
Let's say mga 2 or 3, pero I'm not sure.
Okay.
Kasi, excuse me, kay Mr. Chairman, sabi mo, iba pa yung kay Rowelyn Baterna account. Ginagamit mo rin ba yung account ni Miss Baterna?
Ginagamit lang po siya sa rental ng condominium, ganun po, and sa space po. Pero other than that, you can check it naman po. Kasi po, para maging tag po dito, mabilis yung transaction. Siya po yung checking account niya po yung pinang-i-issue namin.
Ilang beses ka na nag-wire from the Philippines to abroad? Ilang beses ka na nag-wire from your account to abroad?
Never po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Sige, I'll leave you with that, kasi punta tayo kay, kay Mr. Chairman, konti na lang po to.
Kindly wrap up, Congressman Fernandez.
Pumunta si Cassie, Chairman Al Tenco, sa iyo, kasama si Harry Roque, at doon na pag-usapan yung Lucky South 99. Tama, Chairman?
Yes, Chairman.
And as a matter of fact, si Cassie kasama rin doon.
Kasama,
And that was
dumating din po siya.
July 26,
July 26, 2023.
2023. And will you confirm this, Cassie, that you were there in July 26, 2023? Kasi kanina hindi mo ako sinagot dun eh. Di ba? July 26, 2023, you were there, correct?
Isang beses po,
Yes.
pero I'm not sure sa date.
Yeah. And as a matter of fact, sabi ni Altenco, merong binayaran na tungkol sa Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Meron po.
So, you paid nung sa Lucky South 99.
Same that day na nag-visit
Yes.
kami kay Chairman Antek.
At yun yung naging topic nyo na babayaran yung mga problema ng Lucky South 99.
Yes po.
Yes, so... did you talk about the Whirlwind Corporation?
No.
No. So in other words, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Harry Roque is lying. Because during the investigation that we conducted 2 weeks ago, he said that Altenco, Cassie, and Attorney Harry Roque were talking about the Whirlwind Corporation. But you are telling us right now, Chairman Al, that walang Whirlwind Corporation na pinag-usapan doon. It's all about Lucky South 99.
Yes.
Am I correct?
It was all about Lucky South 99.
And as a matter of fact, Cassie, since ikaw yung authorized representative ng Lucky South 99, Attorney Harry Roque was included in the structural organization of that company. Am I correct? He is the legal of Lucky South 99.
Ayun po yung nagkamali po yung mga staff regarding dyan po. Kasi po, they expect, akala po nila na si Attorney Harry Roque po yung legal.
Okay, so hindi siya yung legal mo na nakalagay doon?
Hindi po.
Ikaw ba nag-submit ng mga application form sa PAGCOR?
Hindi po.
Sino nag-submit?
Pwede pa check sa record. Or,
No, I mean, the application form was all given sa inyo. Siyempre, ako yung applicante at ako yung authorized representative. And in accordance sa kanilang application form, kung sino yung authorized representative, siya magdadala noon sa PAGCOR. That's the procedure, correct, Chairman Altenco?
Ganun nga po.
So, if you are the authorized representative, dadalin mo ngayon yung application form together with the organizational chart, including the name of Attorney Harry Roque, who is the legal of the Lucky South 99. So ngayon sinasabi mo na hindi siya kasama.
Hindi po.
Okay. So in other words,
Hindi din po ako yung, sorry.
ano na?
Hindi din po ako yung nagpasa ng paper na yun sa...
So somebody ang nagdala doon.
Yes
Okay.
po, nagkaroon lang sila siguro ng mistake for that po.
Okay.